We'll guide you through how to add a live subscriber account in OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When you're streaming, it can be a great addition to have your live subscriber account. Go and open up a web browser and come to YouTube. What you then need to do is head to your YouTube Studio, press your profile icon in the top right and press YouTube Studio. Here, you need to go and find the option for Go to Channel Analytics. And then here, you want to go and press See Live Count. So you can see your count here. Now you want to come and return to OBS and come into Sources, press the plus, and you want to find the option Browser and click on it. Then we can go and press OK. We now need to get the URL here, so come back to your web browser, click in the address bar and make sure it's highlighted and right click it and press copy. You can then return to OBS to the URL and go and paste it in. Go and press OK like so, and as you can see it now says sign in. But what you want to do is go and right click on it in Sources and press interact. Then what we can do is go and sign into our account here. After you've signed in, you may need to press Studio in the top left, and you can press the profile icon in the top right to go and switch to another channel. You can then press Go to Channel Analytics, scroll across and press See Live Count, and we've now got it here, and we can come and close out of this. Now we can go and make this bigger, and we can go and crop this by holding the Alt key on our keyboard, and we can go and get it to the size we want it to be. For me, that's perfect, and then you can position it where you want it.